Hello everyone, how are we today? So I am getting ready to experiment. I'm gonna make some falafel, but bear with me, I'm gonna make it my way. And I normally use whatever I have. I had a little bit of ham left over from Christmas dinner. I have here a can of chickpeas that I strain and rinse, and 2 garlics with a little bit of olive oil that I have had sitting, fermenting for a while. These are organic garlic going in. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more of this. I also have here about a tablespoon roughly of Cavassa flour. That is to help it bind. Also going in. I have some salt here. Oh gosh, let me get something to grab this. A little bit of salt, not a lot, but you're just gonna add it to taste as you go along. I don't want to salt it. So there we go. Then I'm going to add a little bit of this Mushroom and Company multi-purpose seasoning from Trader Joe's. I'm also gonna add the Green Goddess seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. I love this stuff. Like that. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of my sofrito that has onions, garlic, peppers, cilantro, all kinds of goodies. I'm gonna add a little bit in here, not too much for flavor, because I'm not really sure if I'm gonna like this. This is my very first time making this, so, and then I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the, depending on how thick it is, I'll add some more of the olive oil, and I'm also going to add some, a half a lemon probably. Let me get to mixing. I need both hands, so I'll have to bring you back. Let's see, puree. Cooking with grease. All I did was I added a little bit more of olive oil and I squeezed a half lemon, and I went ahead and mixed it again, and look at this. See, this is the consistency that you want, because then you're gonna form little balls. Okay guys, so the moment of truth has arrived. I already have them all ready to go. My air fryer has preheated. I'm gonna be placing them in there. So I'm gonna put them in like so, and oops, sorry. I know a lot of you are probably gonna come back and have lots to say, but here we go. Right guys, so apparently they're done. Really good. As you can see, I've eaten a couple of them. I just made a real quick little dipping sauce with honey, what is it called? Mustard, little bit of balsamic vinegar, some water, and some olive oil. I like the fact that I don't have to fry anything. That is awesome. I love it. So there you have it, guys. This is what we're cooking with right here.